Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G73 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll until you will find the wallpaper section. Let's tap on it, and as you can see right here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, and under it we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it of course from our photos, so basically you can set your own photo as a wallpaper, you can stylize them. Here we've got some dynamic wallpapers, you can enter here and download new options or the curated images, and I think I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. As you can see, we will be again transferred to this kind of preview. So let's tap on change wallpaper. And again, we've got a lot of albums. We've got some on-device wallpapers, which is currently, of course, set. We've got again my photos. And here we've got much more options, much more albums to choose the wallpaper from. And be aware that they will be available only if you will have the internet connection. So basically, of course, all we have to do is to simply enter the particular album and find the option we would like to set. I'm not really sure which option because here we've got a lot of pretty wallpapers to choose from. I don't know, maybe something from those. Maybe something colorful. Oh, whatever. Okay, let me pick this one, for example. And as you can see, after tapping on it, you will be immediately transferred to this preview, so you can see kind of larger version of the wallpaper. As you can see, you can also change the position of it. So if you don't like it, you can simply change it. The same situation here, you can check the preview of the lock screen, and again, you can change the position. By tapping on those arrows, you can enlarge the wallpaper to the full screen, so you can decide if you like it or not. And if you like it, just tap on set wallpaper. As you can see right now, you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen or both of them, so the home and lock screens. And I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, we just immediately got back to the home page and the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Motorola Moto G73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.